Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable Auto Low Latency Mode on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. First of all, switch the input to your gaming console by pressing the input button and then selecting your PlayStation or Xbox or any other console from the devices list. Then press the gear button on your remote control. Go to All Settings menu, and after that select Display and Sound. In Display and Sound menu, select Picture, then navigate to Advanced Settings. Then in Advanced Settings you will find ALLM option, which is basically Auto Low Latency Mode, and once you switch this toggle to the right, the ALLM feature will be enabled on your TV. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.